So here the next concentration term is molarity. So molarity is represented by small m, and it is the number of moles present per kilogram of solvent. This time it is per kilogram of solvent, right? Is the moles of solute present per kilogram of solvent. This is called the molarity. So molarity is moles of solute upon weight of solvent per kilogram of solvent. That means we have to divide with the weight of solvent. So weight of solvent, that is mass of solvent. Mass of solvent in kilogram. It is the necessary condition, it must be in kilograms, right? So this is the molarity. Now this molarity is not the temperature dependent, it is independent of temperature. Why it is so? Let us write first. Molarity is independent of temperature of the solution. So temperature. So why it is independent? Why molarity is temperature dependent? Molarity is temperature independent. Why it is so? Because here the mass of solvent comes. In molarity it is volume of the solution which affected with the temperature. But here the mass of solvent in kilograms. And you know that the solids is very less affected with the temperature. The mass of solids is not affected. So that's why it is, because it is not affected with temperature, that's why the molarity will also not affected, right? So it is independent of temperature because the mass of solvent in the formula, because it is mass of solvent comes in the formula. Which is not affected with temperature. Right? Now the next is very important point. It is that is when density of solution, it is D, it is less than 1 or equal to 1, then the molarity is greater than its molarity. Molarity of the solution is greater than molarity of the solution. Now the next is when density of solution greater than 1, then molarity is smaller than molarity. Right? It is molarity. It is molarity because molarity indicated with capital M and molarity indicated with small m. So here this is the relation with the density when the density varies of the solution. Now next, how this molarity and molarity relation comes out. Now let us see. Now the molarity and molarity relation. So let us see the molarity. Let us divide the molarity and molarity, right? So it is M upon molarity, small m, right? So molarity here, it is moles of solute upon volume of solution, right, upon molality. The moles of solute upon mass of solvent. So it will go here and it will go here. So the formula will be moles of solute. I am going to write here the indications. Moles of solute, right? Volume of solution, V solution, multiply here the mass of solvent. So mass of solvent, capital W, mass of solvent upon moles of solute. So moles of solute. So moles of solute cancel out, and it will remain the mass of solvent upon volume of solution, right? So if you are going to calculate the mass of solvent, so weight of solvent is in kg here. Weight of mass of solvent is in kg because it is molality. So weight of solvent kg, right? So here weight of solvent is in kilogram and volume of solution is in liter, right? Because volume of solution is in liter here, because molarity, volume of solution in liter, molality, mass of solvent in kg. So here mass of solvent upon volume of solution comes. Now this mass of solvent, weight of solvent is equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. In words, it is mass of solution minus mass of solute upon, that is the volume of solution in liters. Now mass of solution is equal to volume of solution into density of solution. So here molarity upon molality, capital M upon small m, is equal to mass of solution is equal to volume of solution multiplied density of solution. Density of solution, right, minus mass of solute minus, so mass of solute is molar mass of solute multiply the number of moles of solute. It is moles of solute multiply molar mass of solute. It is of solute upon, here it is the volume of solution in liters. So volume of solution in liters, right? Now, so if you are going to calculate the molality, so molality will be molarity multiplying volume of solution in liters upon V into D of solution minus N into M of solute, means moles into molecular mass of solute. So in this formula, if you are going to get the volume common, right, and cancel out this volume, then it will be, this is the molarity, better to write molarity, right? M is the molarity here. Right? Now V into D, here neither kind of V is there. So if you are going to take the common V, then it must be divided by V. So here V, here volume of solution is also there, volume of solution in liters. Here the volume of solution, we have solution, we have taken common, so it remains density minus, so density minus n upon volume, n of solute, volume of solution, it is multiply molar mass of solute, right? So here this volume of solution cancel out and the molarity remains, molarity upon density minus, so it is moles of solute upon volume of solution, it is also the molarity of the solution, so minus molarity of solution, it is molarity multiply molar mass of solute, molar mass of solute, right? So in this, if you are going to see density minus molarity multiplying molar mass of solute, and molarity is divided by this, right? So in this, if D is equal to 1, if D is equal to 1, then molarity is equal to molarity upon molarity multiply mass of solute, right? And when the molarity divided by the molarity multiply mass of solute, molarity itself, then this molarity will be greater than the molarity. So that means in this case molarity will be greater than molarity, that is capital M, right? Here is the molarity. So in this way it has been proved that when T is equal to 1, the molarity is greater than the molarity, right? So here now next move to the next term of concentration.